the gold is still rising, and this metal is actually not taking any rest and not giving us any chance to trade it and just continue the rise. If we look right now at daily chart, we can notice that the gold actually over the last week kept rising non-stop. We barely have any pullbacks happened, but the gold eventually is just actually keeps rising. So now what's gonna happen next with this pair? Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So first of all, I would like to delete the old signal, and I would like first of all, guys, to admit a mistake I did actually on Saturday, saying that the gold will not be open for trade on Monday. It was actually a misinformation. I really apologize about it, and I will just be honest here. I even actually have this morning announced on my Telegram channel that it was a mistake. The gold is actually today open for trading, and actually I have announced it here on our Telegram channel, Xtreme Gold Signals. This is, of course, guys, our official gold signals channel on Telegram. It's completely free. You can join it right now for free, and you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. So better, guys, to join this channel to remain connected to Xtreme Trader and to receive any updates about our signals that we are actually sending right here on YouTube. And you can also join our VIP signals to get these signals. And as we can see, scalping right now is really the best option. Last week we have achieved these results only by scalping gold, which was really amazing work. However, now what we can do next with the gold, that's the big question. Well, from fundamental view, the gold, my friends, is still rising due to the weakness of the US dollar. However, the gold, in my opinion, will remain rising until Donald Trump finally announces a deal with China to eliminate the tariffs or at least reduce them. That might actually depend on the announcement, might actually completely crash the gold to reach back 3,000 at least, to retest the resistance right here. So we are looking for a major crash, but not now, only once a deal is announced. And I believe he gonna announce it because actually he said, and you know Trump always honest, he said he's gonna actually announce a deal with China very soon. So until then, the gold will continue to rise. Now, from technical analysis, from technical view, I would like, guys, to share with you that right here, based on daily chart, if we look right now here at the last pulse that we have right here, the last pullback that we have in this structure right before the gold breaks out from the resistance at 3158. If we check the Fibonacci retracement on this structure, we can notice that the gold actually has here made a bullish breakout from Fibonacci, right here with this candle, has actually made a bullish breakout from 161.8 Fibonacci retracement, and then retested the same level, which means if the gold actually retests already 161.8, it actually has a good chance to continue the rise to reach 261.8 and retest that area. Now again, guys, this analysis is so basic because again, I am saying this like for the millionth times. On the left side, my friends, we have absolutely no data to rely on. It's just completely blank right here. We don't have any support or resistance or history to rely on. Therefore, we have to completely rely on the Fibonacci retracement, and the Fibonacci tells us that the gold actually has a good chance to continue the rise till it reach again 3,500, I think, right? 3,500 exactly, almost, yeah, 3,500. So that eventually gonna be our take profit level. Now let's talk about the entry, which is gonna really make me crazy, because over the last 3 weeks, I think we have failed to send a signal that actually gets activated. I mean, last week I have sent a signal and the gold has reversed just like by 21 pips far away from the entry, which was really a big bummer. It was really a surprise and shock for me. I mean, just by 21 pips, we have missed almost 1,500 pips of profit. Wow. However, now what's gonna happen next? In my opinion, we have to rely right now on the current pattern that I have right here, and that's actually a very trusted pattern, which is here a support trend line being respected for once, twice, and then a fake breakout. Let me just tell you guys, in my day trading, I always look for this particular setup. When I see the trend rising and I see here a support trend line facing a fake breakout from that level, I will wait for the market to fall back again, and hopefully it's gonna be respecting the same level of the support trend line. Here will be actually my entry. So therefore, here I would recommend to wait for the gold. Hopefully it's gonna make a pullback and then the same level of the support trend line will actually be respected, and the gold as a result will continue the rise. Well, now usually we actually rely on the Fibonacci to find the entry, but relying on Fibonacci over the last 3 weeks has actually failed to give me a good entry. So this week is going to be different. I will move right now to the 30-minute time frame, and right now I would like to give you the signal, my friends, to buy the gold exactly right from this level right here at 3,386. Why? Because if we check again the same support trend line that we have drawn earlier, let me just now make it clear for you, just like that. So now as you can see, the gold actually has a good chance right now to make a pullback and reach the same level of the key support level right here at 3,386. Hopefully also will be respecting the same level of the support trend line, and afterward hopefully also it will continue the rise. Again, we don't know the future, my friends. I don't know the future. I'm just trying my best here to find these entries, and I really hope it's gonna work well, and hopefully this signal this time hopefully is gonna work well. And there is actually another reason to believe that this signal is going to be triggered very soon. If we just connect here the resistance trend line, as you can see, just like that. Look at that, fantastic. Now actually it complies exactly with our support trend line. So here we have a resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then right after the bullish breakout happened, let me just zoom in to show it to you right here exactly. As you can see here, we have also a support trend line number 1 has been born. So therefore we are hoping for a pullback to happen, and the same level of the support trend line also gonna be respected. So again, my friends, this signal might not be triggered soon, but hopefully it will be after another 360 pips. I mean, again, this is the only option that we have so far. Buying from 3,386, targeting 3,500, aiming around 1,100 pips of profit. And if we do, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging much lower than the previous level of resistance right here at 3,350, which means our safe zone will be ranging for 337 pips against 1,100 pips of profit. Guys, this is really fair, and I really hope it's gonna work well. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And there goes our new signal for the gold, my friends. Again, I'm doing the best I can, and again, I hope here no one will blame me if this signal not gonna be activated. For sure, I feel embarrassed that most of the signals right now not getting activated, but what can I do? I mean, I'm really doing my best here with this crazy pair, and I just really hope this one is gonna work well. And before we end the video again, my friends, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive all these updates about these signals, and remain connected to Xtreme Twitter through this channel, Xtreme Gold Signals. And you can also get to try our VIP signals, scalping the gold, which will start or actually resume the work tomorrow morning, Tuesday. And of course, you can contact our support to join the VIP service. You can just contact them for more details. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.